Hi friends, every recommendation I'm going to give you has been tested here in the shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. When your Nissan Rogue throws the message AWD High Temp or AWD High Temp Stop Vehicle, the first thing to do is take a deep breath. It doesn't mean your car is about to explode or that the AWD system died suddenly. In reality, the all-wheel drive AWD system is saying, "Hey, I'm getting too hot. Better go into safe mode before something gets damaged." It's like when you're sweating a lot at the gym and decide to take a water break before continuing. The most common reason this happens has to do with the tires. If one wheel spins differently from the others because it's more worn, has lower pressure, or is a smaller spare, the AWD thinks there's constant slippage and starts working extra hard. That generates heat, and boom, the warning pops up. Checking that all the tires are the same size, brand, and properly inflated usually clears many of these alerts. Now, if it's very cold or you're driving on rough roads, the message can also appear temporarily. Many people who've come to the shop say that by slowing down or letting the car idle for a couple of minutes, the message disappears on its own. It's like giving the AWD a short break so it can cool down and function normally again. But if this keeps happening repeatedly, it's time to dig a little deeper. The problem could be in the differential or AWD fluid, which over time can get dirty or lose its properties. When that happens, the gears heat up more than usual, and the system flags it as a risk. Checking or replacing the fluid usually fixes the issue without needing to replace expensive parts. Another detail that's sometimes overlooked is sensors and connectors. Moisture, dirt, or vibrations can cause sensors to send incorrect data to the AWD computer. The system, being overprotective, shuts down and shows the warning even if the problem isn't serious. Cleaning connections or adjusting sensors has solved many cases according to mechanics.